Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive analysis of Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024, and we are here now to provide you with an even more in-depth examination. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 6th of November 2024, our system has categorized Intel as a hold or accumulate, resulting in a score of 0.54. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has not met our expectations, with a decline of 5.59%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.35% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently rests in the lower portion of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a potentially favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend support at $22.99 is breached, it would signify a slower ascent and may serve as an early warning of a possible trend reversal. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is an anticipated change of approximately 22.21% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 18.81% to 41.15%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected decline of 55.27% over the next year, with possible returns between negative 77.52% and negative 53.42%. This corresponds to a price range of $5.32 to $11.02 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline: Intel's stock price ended at $23.65 on Wednesday after losing 1.66%. The Intel stock price fell by 1.66% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024, from $24.05 to $23.65. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.77%, with a day low at $23.06 and a day high of $23.93. The price has been moving up and down during this period, and there has been a 5.1% loss over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign, as volume should ideally follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 12 million shares, with a total of 53 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.25 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 53.88%, or $27.63, below the 52-week high, and 65.87%, or $45.64, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Intel Corporation continues to navigate a complex landscape in the semiconductor sector as of November 2024. Recently, the company secured a grant of $7.86 billion from the CHIPS Act, aimed at strengthening domestic chip manufacturing. This funding is a significant endorsement of Intel's role in the industry. However, it reflects a reduction from the originally proposed $8.5 billion, which may create some investor concern about the company's ability to scale operations as expected. Meanwhile, the stock has experienced volatility, with a recent decline of 3.3% tied to investor reactions to news of a potential acquisition by Qualcomm, which has reportedly cooled due to the complexities of the deal. This uncertainty regarding acquisitions could weigh on sentiment in the short term. Looking ahead, analysts believe that the semiconductor sector will remain resilient to broader economic challenges, as insights suggest that tariffs proposed under Trump 2.0 are unlikely to significantly impact the industry. This could provide a stabilizing effect for Intel and its peers. In the longer term, the CHIPS Act funding could enhance Intel's competitive positioning and innovation capabilities, potentially driving stock prices upward as the market recognizes the company's strengthened foundation for growth. However, sustained focus on operational execution will be crucial as Intel navigates these challenges, and investor confidence will remain key in fueling its stock price recovery and future initiatives. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Intel Corporation a sell rating accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush provided Intel Corporation with an equal weight rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark granted Intel Corporation a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was also reported that Wolfe Research designated Intel Corporation with a reduce rating and a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Intel Corporation an underperform rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intel stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a buy, while the price-to-book ratio is also rated as buy. However, in terms of return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal emerging from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal for the stock is indicated, leading to a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $24.25. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $23.62. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, whereas a drop below the long-term average would prompt a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact the stock's near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 7, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by nearly 10%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 15 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicates a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel appears to find support from accumulated volume at $22.56. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 87 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 3.77%. Additionally, during the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.63%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings, meaning it is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 23rd of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 12 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $23.92. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a good point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $22.56. If this support level remains intact, it might serve as a favorable entry point, as a rebound could be anticipated. The combined average rating for Intel from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of November in the year 2024, Holthouse Michelle Johnston executed an insider sale of 25,000 shares of common stock. On the 4th of November in the year 2024, Gelsinger Patrick P. carried out an insider purchase of 11,150 shares of common stock. On the 31st of October in the year 2024, Zinsner David made an insider purchase of 6,502 shares of common stock. On the 31st of October in the year 2024, Zinsner David also conducted an insider sale of 3,224 shares of common stock. On the same day, Zinsner David sold 6,502 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 4.738. In total, insiders purchased 435,787 shares and sold 469,586 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.34, indicating a decline of 5.54%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, corresponding to a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal prompted by a pivot top identified 14 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this moment. Instead, it is advisable to treat it as a hold candidate, meaning to maintain or accumulate shares while monitoring further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of November, we anticipate Intel will open down by approximately 10 cents, starting trading at $23.55. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.